Whales are wonderful creatures. Here is a list of whales drawn to scale from smallest at the bottom to biggest at the top. In total, there are 7 creatures, 6 whales and a human. Oh no, the whales are all out of order. What shall we do? We will use selection sort. First, we start at the bottom and search through the entire list for the smallest element. We see that the human is the smallest element of the list, and so we swap the human with the finback. Now the human is in the correct position because it is the smallest element of the entire list and it is at the bottom where it's supposed to be. Moving on to the remaining creatures, we see that the narwhal is the smallest whale out of the 6 whales that remain. So we switch the narwhal and the finback. Now we have 2 creatures in the correct position, the narwhal and the human. We have 5 whales that are still unsorted. Searching through these whales, we find that the smallest one is the minke whale, and so we swap the humpback whale with the minke whale. We see that the humpback whale is now the smallest whale out of the 4 whales that are left, and so we swap the humpback whale with the sperm whale. Now there are 3 remaining whales. The sperm whale is the smallest one, and so we swap the sperm whale with the blue whale in order to put the sperm whale into the correct position. There are only 2 whales left that remain unsorted. However, we see that the finback is already the smallest out of the 2, and therefore it is already in the correct position. And finally, the blue whale is obviously in the correct position because it is the only whale that remains. And so our sort is complete.